Sharpening, it's brand new, but I like to resharpen them before I sell them to give it a perfect curve versus a factory curve. Start with 180. 180 grit. Horizontal mechanical waterstones. I now have a burr full length. This takes the burr, majority of the burr off. .1000 grit. In general, it's just 10 strokes. Remove the majority of the burr. Then I go to a green buffing wheel. See the buffing compound. So it polishes that out, removes the burr from the 1000. Then I go to 6000. Once again, 10 strokes. And then I go 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I go to a white cloth wheel, which you can't quite see. That cleans up the compound. You can see the compound line. And essentially a mirror finish now. That's an old central machinery that I've had for over 25 years from Harbor Freight. I picked up this beauty AMT off of eBay. This has got an incredible, the stone is going to last forever. And there's the Shinko 180, which I modified to put a fan into to keep it cool because it doesn't like to run forever without a fan. And then the green buffing wheel and the cloth buffing wheel. Using a little pump down here for recirculating the water. And works great.